Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify product feeds to TikTok Shop in the USA step by step clearly. Access your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Apps located on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, search for the TikTok app. Install the TikTok app on your Shopify store. Once installed, open the TikTok app. Connect your TikTok business account to the app. If you don't have a TikTok business account, create one now. After connecting, proceed to set up your TikTok shop. Navigate to the Product Sync section within the app. Choose the products you want to sync with TikTok Shop. Ensure all product details, including images and descriptions, are accurate. Enable the automatic sync option for seamless updates. Review your settings before confirming the sync. Click on the Sync Products button to start the process. Check the status of your product sync to ensure all items were uploaded. Once completed, visit your TikTok shop to verify the products are displayed correctly. Make any necessary adjustments directly from Shopify if needed. Continue to update your product offerings for better performance on TikTok Shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.